Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the analog stick drift on your PS4 controller. So the first thing you want to do is simply just clean the bottom of your thumbstick. Sometimes there's debris that will just fall into your controller. So get like a rag or something like that. You might have some Cheeto dust on there, Mountain Dew or sugar or something. So once you have that cleaned off, you want to move your thumbstick to the side like this and then push down and create a little bit of a gap right here and then blow into there. And then you can also use compressed air or just your mouth. Most of the time I'm in the middle of a gaming session and I notice there's a bunch of stick drift, and I'll just quickly move this to the side and blow into there, and it's fixed just like that. And you want to do it on that side and then move it to the other side here, push down, then up, push down, blow into the bottom, and then to the bottom. Just do all sides. Now another thing that you can do is just manipulate the thumbstick by pushing it up, and you feel like a little pop, it's going to pop up, and then you can push it down, and just do that like 10 to 15 times. Then hold down the thumbstick, click it in, and rotate it around, holding it in just like this, and do it about 10 times to the right and then 10 times to the left. Pop it up, push it down, pop it up, push it down, then rotate it and push down and blow into this side and this side, and just repeat the process. So most of the time for me, that does indeed work and it fixes the issue. Now this is usually just a temporary fix, so you might be good for like a week or two and then you have to do it again. So just go ahead and try it out. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.